Hello everyone, I am Aditya. I am going to present my first data science task given by Sparks Foundation. The task is on prediction using supervised machine learning. My task is to predict the percentage of a student based on the number of hours he studies. So, first I import all the required modules. They are NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib, Sklearn. The dataset which I am going to use is between the number of hours the student has studied to the scores he obtained. This is a simple linear regression task as it involves two variables. The dataset can be downloaded from the given link. Uh, First, I have imported the data, and as you can see, this is the data of the dataset, and I have restricted the data to first 5 rows, as you can see here, and I have printed its statistical information, as you can see here, and as I have also found the attributes of the dataset. There are two attributes, hours and scores, and hours is of the data type float and scores is of the data type int, because hours is having values in decimals and scores are in integers. Next, I have checked for the unique values in the dataset, and I find that there are 23 unique values of both hours and scores. I then pre-process the dataset, and I find that there are no null values in the dataset. Then I do exploratory data analysis, and I find that that based on the plot between hours and scores, I find that the values are almost linear for every interval. So I plot plot hours and scores, and as you can see, for different intervals there are different ranges of values. For better understanding, I have also found out the correlation matrix, and as you can see, the correlation matrix here, for hours, for every 1 hour, like the scores value to 0.97. I have also represented that in a heat map, as you can see here. Next, I have observed that for example, for 8.5 hours of study, the score obtained by the student is 75, which is less compared to the other intervals. And to understand that, I have done the model training. In the model training, as you can see, the report of model report for scores and study hours are stored in an array, and I have imported linear regression, which is a basic type to start with. uh, I have splitted the data into two parts. For I have used 80% of the data to train the model and 20% of the data to test the model. So I have performed the regression plot for trained data, and I find that it is linear, almost linear. To get the accuracy of this trained data, we can see it using the R square value. The R square which I obtained is 95%, which is very good. And next, I have done visualization for the tested data, which was the 20% of the original dataset. Uh, I find that 79% 79% of this 20%, the 20% data gives us the 79% predict accuracy. As you can see, the values are not linear. Next, to for better model improvement, I have plotted the original versus predicted values. here I have plotted the original versus predicted values, and I have indicated original with the blue and predicted with the red. As you can see, there is not much difference between them. And similarly, I have performed the R square value for the tested dataset. As I have said, 79% I have obtained, and for original dataset I obtained 95%. uh, so the question given in the task was, what was the score, uh, what was the predicted score if a student studies for 9.25 hours per day? So using the above model, I find that the score is 92, approximately 92. Thank you for watching.